Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. The government is expecting growth in the local economy for the remainder of the financial year. Now, Prime Minister Andrew Holness gave an estimate of the country's growth figures up to June at the groundbreaking ceremony of IMCA Jamaica's corporate office on Spanish Town Road this morning. Jamaica's economy has been on a path to recovery, and according to Prime Minister Andrew Holness, the growth figures are reflecting an upward trend.
Our projection is that the economy will grow between 7 to 9% for April to June 2021 and will grow between 4 to 8% for the fiscal year ending March 2022. I am cautiously optimistic that growth could trend towards the top end of the forecast range, given the higher than anticipated pace of our inoculations, our vaccination, the anticipated release of pent-up vacation demand, and the impact of the significant fiscal and monetary stimulus in the United States.
Mr. Holness says more partnerships for development will also be critical for continued growth. He says the new headquarters of IMCA, the local supplier of Caterpillar equipment, is a significant investment.
This investment will be approximately $8 million. This venture is set to employ 200 workers over the course of the construction and 82 staff members permanent operations.
The project, funded through Cygnus Real Estate Finance Company, should be completed by early next year.
We expect to be back here cutting the ribbon at a ceremony about 12 months from now.
The company's vice president and head of real estate and project finance, David Cummings, says ground will be broken for another project in the coming weeks, which will see the construction of commercial office spaces called One Belmont on Belmont Road in St. Andrew. The company is also pushing forward with plans to list on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. In currency trading, the US dollar ended the day selling for $153.89. The Canadian is going for $123.85. The pound sells for $212.54, while the euro is trading at $184.43. Now onto stocks. The JSE index declined by 71 points, while the junior market index declined by 33 points. Among the winners were MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, Palace Amusement, SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, Medical Disposables and Supplies, and Main Event Entertainment. Among the losers were PBS 9.75% cumulative redeemable preference shares, Trans Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, Fosrich Company, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, and Access Financial Services. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.